Hi guys, welcome to Quick Tips. This is Z, and today, as we are going through COVID-19 times, so I just wanted to share a video regarding baggage tags. As you all know, that the travel has changed post-COVID. This is basically what you are looking at is a baggage tag. Right now, you have to check in the baggage only through web check-in, and you can get this baggage tag at that time, that is prior to 48 hours of your travel, and you have to get it printed, and this is how it looks like. So what I'm going to show you is how you can use this baggage tag on your luggage. You can use you can either paste it on the back side of the luggage, or you can fold it. As you can see, I have pasted it one out there, and I'll show you how you are going to use it, to put it on the luggage by the sides. Okay, so this is basically a tag. So you have to fold it like this. Yes, from the center. So both the barcode should be seen. Okay, so now you're going to fold it like this. Okay, this is how it will look. On the both side, the bar tags should be there, and you are going to put it out here like this. Okay, so the barcode would be seen, and you can put it out here in the sides, and either you can use a stapler if you have, or a pin, to just triple it. So you can see I have used a safety pin out there, and the tag you can see, so the barcode can be seen on both the sides, and accordingly, both can be used. So there are a few things that you should know while traveling. You must use Arogya Setu app. You must install it on your phone, and there would be a mandatory. As I already told you that Arogya Setu app is mandatory for traveling, and there is also a self declaration form which you will get when you web check in. This form will include few declaration that you're going to make, like I'm not residing in a containment zone, I'm not suffering from any fever, cough, or any respiratory distress, I'm not under quarantine. So there are few things like I'm eligible to travel as per the extent norms. So you have to sign this form, and this will be done during when you go to the airport, and they will be providing a shield as well, a shield mask. So these are few things that need to do while traveling. So hope this video will help you while traveling. Have a good day. Bye bye.